G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we are making the Pink Gin Fizz. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is grab yourself a gin glass. We've got a balloon gin glass here today. We're going to load that up with some ice. So bear with us while I put some ice in my little Jigger. Load up some ice. Grab your pink gin of choice. We're going to pour 50 mils into the glass. I'm going to pour about 50 mils of lemonade. About 25 mils or so of Prosecco. Grab your bar spoon, just give that a quick little stir. Now I've already pre-chopped about 6 strawberries, so we'll drop those in. And a small handful of raspberries. Try to get them in the cup the first time. Give that another stir through. A little bit more ice. I might actually just put a bit more Prosecco in there. Just put your straw in. There you have the Pink Gin Fizz. Enjoy.